Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brenda and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I am really excited for today's video because I am going to be unboxing my very first Apple Watch. Before I get started, the main reason why I got this watch was because I just started working again recently, and this I feel is gonna help me out a lot. When I'm at work, I'm usually pretty busy seeing patients back to back, so I think that it's a lot easier to have a watch to be able to check if I have any missed calls or any text messages, mainly from my kids, and also because I have been working out more lately and I feel like it's gonna help with tracking my workouts and calories and things like that. So that is the main reason why I decided to purchase the Apple Watch. Another awesome thing is that I actually was able to find it on sale at Walmart. So instead of paying the retail price at the Apple Store or on apple.com, I was able to purchase it locally at a Walmart and it was actually $20 off. So I think it was a good deal. The watch that I decided to get was the Series 3, only because most of the features that are on the new one, which is the 5, are on this one as well. And like I said, I mainly want it for just keeping track of workouts and things like that. So yeah, I got the Series 3 and this is what the box looks like. It just says Apple Watch Series 3. Right here on the side, it does say the size that I got, which is the 38 millimeters. The silver aluminum with the white sports band. So it looks just like that. Hopefully you guys can see that on there. The back just has some barcodes and again, the description of the item, just like this. Okay, you guys, so let's get to the unboxing part. Here's the box right here, has like the clear plastic. I'm gonna start by taking that off. Wow. Okay. Okay. Ooh. The box feels nice and smooth. It's like a matte finish. Not that that matters to anybody, but so it does have a little tab right here, which you can pull and yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, so then you pull it open and right here it just says designed by Apple in California. So you take this off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I guess this is the, let's see. Okay, so it comes with this and it looks like it's just the instructions. Welcome to Apple Watch. To get started, turn on your Apple Watch. Install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone, then open the Apple Watch app. Okay, so just some instructions. And then how to put the watch on as well. What is this? I don't know. Disclaimer, more information on the phone. And then here's an extra band. So I'm guessing, yeah. So it comes with the medium, large, and it already has one on there, but I guess this one's just a longer size. And then you can see right here is the charger. Okay. I'm scared to break it. Oh. Wow. So I guess it just keeps going around and around. Okay, so it doesn't come with a box, like the adapter or whatever it's called. But of course you can use your phones, but here is the charger. Just like that. So there we have our charger. It's a little bent, but, and it comes with this little, I guess you just remove this. So we're gonna set that aside. And oh my goodness, here it is. That's what it looks like in the box. Let's take it out. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's a little heavy. So it comes like that with some like plastic cover. So I'm just gonna remove that. Let's see. Ooh, how does this come off? Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so pretty. Honestly, one of my friends just recently got the Galaxy, I forgot what it's called, but I'll put a picture up. I fell in love with it and I wanted that watch, but I do use an iPhone, and unfortunately some of the features for that watch I wasn't going to be able to use with the iPhone. So that's why I decided to go with the Apple Watch. I like the Apple Watch. It's sleek and it's very like modern looking. It's clean. But I really like the round face of the Galaxy Watch, but I'm really happy with this purchase. It is so cute. And let's see. So I saw that this is the turn on button, so I'm gonna press that. Maybe it's not charged, I don't know. Oh, wow, I was pressing the wrong button the whole time. So it's this button right here to turn on, and I was pressing this one. So, oh my gosh, it's turning on. Yay. Okay, you guys, so for this next part, I usually use my phone to record my videos, so I'm wondering how I'm gonna be able to do the setup. I might probably use my daughter's phone to record the linking process of my watch to my phone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably do that. This is what it looks like from the back, in case you're wondering. Now it's giving this message, I guess, to sync the watch and the phone. So I'm just gonna click on that. Okay, so it's asking for, gonna select my language, which is English, United States. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing to start pairing. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm gonna pause the video and hopefully we can get this set up. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the Apple Watch here, and then it says Start Pairing. It also says Start Pairing over here, so I'm just gonna press that. It says put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Oh, okay. Okay, so I put the watch on and Okay. Yay, it says your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Now it's asking, okay, this is just the terms and conditions, so I'm gonna agree. Let me take a few minutes. Yay! This barely fit me, by the way. So now the phone is, okay, enable. Okay, now I have to create a passcode. So it's gonna sync my apps to the watch. So it says welcome. Okay. Yay! Oh, it says my name already. Brenda's Apple Watch. Okay. So I guess you could select your face. Hold on. It says, what is a crown? This? Ooh. Oh, it's ready. That is so cool, you guys. I don't know what to do. Oh, so it says the battery. Okay. How do I go to the apps? Yay, so there are my apps. Nice. That is so cool. Well, I don't know much about it, so I'm gonna have to mess around with it, but that is the basic setup of my watch. Yay! Okay, you guys, so I messed with the watch a little bit, and so I used that as my face because I'm a sucker for Disney. Yeah, that's what it looks like right now. I'm really happy, and yeah, I'm gonna probably have to play with it around a little bit to see all the functions and stuff like that because I'm not too familiar with it, but yeah, that is it. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed already and you do like my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!